RA435IBC is a tough, compact, maneuverable scrubbing machine, ideal for stores, hotels, offices, workshops, and more. The ergonomic handle and the various ways in which the handle can be adjusted promotes comfortable handling. The option of adjusting suction power meets requirements that tend to vary based on conditions. Due to the effective curved suction nozzle, the 750-watt brush motor, and simple water regulation, you will achieve perfect cleaning results. The water level indicator helps you know when to refill. Another notable quality is that the noise is minimal when the machine is in action. Intelligent accessories such as guiding wheel for easy transportation, suction kit and hook for the brush are further plus points that make the machine even more competent